Hi guys, how are you? I think you are doing well. So in this video I am going to show you how can change your Instagram account name. If you face problem that you cannot change, so this video for you. You can see here I am on my Instagram, and when I click on my profile, you can see here you will can see option edit profile. Then when you go to change your name, you can see here I am want to change my name. I click here, but I cannot do that from here. They are redirected to me to a Facebook login page, but I don't want to change this process or this way. So what I have to do, I have to go back from here and have to go, you can see here three dot line. You have to click here three dot line, and then you have to click setting. So before that I will ask you for something. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button, getting more video like that. So from here you have to scroll down, and then you will can see here account center. You have to click here account center. From account center you will can see here option your profile. You can see here profile, so you have to click here profile, and then you again click here your profile. You can see here profile. So from here you have to select your Instagram. You can see here Instagram profile. You have to click here on Instagram profile, and then from here sync profile info, you have to off that. You can see here stop singing, so you have to click here, and then you have to cross here, and you have to get back from here to your profile. You can see here I am on my profile, and now if I click on my profile, you can see here profile, and now if I click on name, you can see here from here I able to changing my name. So this way you also can change the name of your Instagram account. So this is the process. So if you have any inquiry related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box, and also I provided my Facebook link in description box. You can connect also with me in my Facebook through my description box links. So thank you.